I would like to talk about a new technology developed for OKMindMap. One is Padlet-like view, and the other is iframe extendability. So I'm interested in embedding more technology to OKMindMap, and the subject I'm interested, especially these days, is WebRTC. So WebRTC, you can take a look at the mind map information on this address, and provide some WebRTC things here. So here, if you go there, you can find what is WebRTC about. And this blog presents some free and useful WebRTC service applied on web page. So this WebRTC service is not that new. It's a bit old technology, but now it's adopted widely. Especially, I know this technology is used by Minerva University, and this is already supported on Chrome platform. And I hope this platform, this technology would be probably be supported by other platforms in the future. Okay, so from that example, I tested several different WebRTC services and tried to implement that service inside of OKMindMap as a node using iframe technology. So here is a service called Groomie. It's Korean service. If you go there, you can create a group name and make a chatting group like a Skype freely available. This is just a test service, but you can use it for free for several participants. And this is another free service you can use for test, a peer.in service. And here you can find that you can freely make a chat room. And here I would like to, you can see that my face here, because I already joined in another participants from different mind map. So that is also, there is another service like Linkrello, so you can give it a try. The reason I give it a WebRTC service company here is to show how can it be implemented and used in OKMindMap service. Here I already made some iframe, and this service, as you can see, I'm waving hand to you, embedded this WebRTC technology here. And this actually service is not a customized API. It's not a customized API for OKMindMap service. But eventually, if somebody provide an API which can be implemented, especially on Moodle, on OKMindMap as an iframe node, probably they can either provide an API that can show only solely the participant's image here, and the other option is to show all the participants. By that way, you can selectively use that node, either representing the participant's camera or either showing all participants' face on that iframe node. Anyway, so I will show how I implemented the things here. So I used the node called iframe. As you can see here, this is the address exactly you saw in the web page. of their chatting rooms of that specific WebRTC service site. And also the kind of iframe idea I already talked about, that Google survey here. The Google Docs can be implemented as a iframe service. So here I will show that how I created this. You can see that Google survey form, view form here, and I can apply the things. If anybody write some information here and submit, that information will be collected to my Google spreadsheet. And this one is a GeoGebra service. So if you know a little bit about GeoGebra, and in the GeoGebra service, probably you can share that information using iframe, and you can collect the information about how the iframe things can be applied for that, and you can get the iframe service URL from the GeoGebra Tube service, and you can put that things here, and you can see only that whole frame of GeoGebra or as a iframe node of OKMindMap. This is a service called collaborative drawing, and here you can also use that iframe, and you just simply need to the web address of that collaborative drawing groups you created on the web, and by providing that, then you can draw something collaboratively with other people on this specific space. This is one I already mentioned about SlideShare service. If you go to SlideShare service, you also can get the iframe export sharing options. And if you copy that URL address of iframe, and you copy the things here, and you can embed the things as an iframe node of OKMindMap, just like this. This still looks like OKMindMap, and if you like to view this page in different respect, probably you can use a Padlet-like view. If some of you are already familiar with Padlet is like a post-it service on the internet. You can post the piece of information everywhere you like. See, as you can see, you can see everything, and you can even change the location, just like a Padlet.